Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Stark and I am a product training coordinator at WellnessLiving. This improvement will allow businesses and staff to automatically charge clients who have a negative account balance. The first thing we want to do to show the functionality is go up to our app drawer and click there, and then navigate to Setup and click Setup. Once we've done this, what we want to do is go down to our store configuration, which we can see here. We're going to click for the drop down, and then we're going to navigate down to Store Settings and click on Store Settings. And once we're in Store Settings, all we want to do is just navigate down until we reach Client Account Payments, and then under that we can see that there is a new on-off toggle for automatically charge clients with a negative account balance. So of course what I want to do to show the functionality here is I'm going to enable this to the on position, and then I'm going to go to the selection here. So automatically charge clients with a negative balance on either the 1st of each month, the 15th of each month, or on a specific day of the week. Now, if I choose this option, then I can choose Monday to Sunday. So essentially what that means is once every week, the system is going to automatically try to reconcile any kind of payments for a client that has a negative balance on their account. So I'm going to leave it to this setting, and I'm going to pick Sunday because I want it to check each week if a client has a negative balance on their account. So that's what it's going to do. And then of course, what we can do after that is go ahead and click Save. All right, perfect. So we get a confirmation at the top. And what I want to do now is I'm actually going to go to a client's profile. So let's click Search, and we will go to a client's profile. So let's use Janet. All right, so now on the client's profile, the first thing that we can see is this red notification, which again, it's going to come up and it's going to say customer owes Moonlight Yoga Studio $200. Of course, we could click there where it says charge now, but additionally, what we could also do is go to account, click for the drop down, and then go to billing and account balance and click there. Once I click there, underneath account balance, we can see that amount that is owing, which is the $200. And because of the settings that we went into at the start of this video and we enabled it, we now have this notification which says the outstanding amount of $200 will be billed automatically on May 29th, 2022, May 29th being a Sunday. And if you remember at the start for the settings, we set it to have automatic billing for any kind of client that has a negative account balance every Sunday, which is on every week, right? So that makes total sense, and that's what we want to see as per the functionality here. So that is perfect. Some additional details to go through. If a payment fails, the system will reattempt to charge the client as per the reattempt payment rules that a business has set up within their business policies. This really is a fantastic improvement for businesses and staff members. Instead of chasing clients who have a negative balance or having to manually be aware of any negative balances that a client might have, staff can now enable to automatically charge clients with a negative account balance, as we can see here. So this really is going to help save time and promote a better flow. So like I said, and as you can see, with this improvement, it really is going to help staff and businesses keep on top of clients with a negative account balance by automatically charging them, making your business flow just that much easier.